Moving on now, feasibility study of the High Grand Fall Dam is set to be completed in the next 6 months to pave way for construction to start. National Irrigation Authority and GBM Consortium Limited have signed the project development agreement, paving way for construction of the multi-billion shillings mega dam that is expected to be completed within the next 5 years.
Construction of the multi-billion shillings multipurpose High Grand Fall Dam is set to start, with the main contractor, GBM Consortium Limited, planning to set up base at the project area in Kitui and Tharaka counties. The National Irrigation Authority and the GBM Consortium Limited have now signed a project development agreement giving the British contractor permission to begin construction preparations, including feasibility studies.
We are happy to witness the signing of the project development agreement, which we are expecting it to be finalized in the next 6 months, so that the construction can start.
The water reservoir, which will be built off Mutunga and Tana rivers, can hold up to 5,600 million cubic meters of water and capacity to irrigate about 400,000 acres of land, as well as generate 1,000 megawatts of hydropower.
Project is expected to put 400,000 acres into irrigation, and among the 400,000 acres, 100,000 acres is expected to be put under rice production. So that is likely to help the country towards addressing the food security towards rice.
The facility, which will be the second largest freshwater dam in Africa after the Aswan Dam in Egypt, has been earmarked to address perennial challenges of food security, domestic water and power.
I'm very excited to see this project being started. I think it will make a huge difference to the lives of many Kenyans in terms of the amount of water that we'll be able to capture.
The mega dam is part of 6 green investment projects worth 500 billion shillings, financed by the British government as part of a multifaceted climate change mitigation measure.
It was one of the top 5 projects that he decided were of a priority for our two governments. So I'm delighted today to see that one of the 5 has now been signed. I think this is a great example of the UK-Kenya partnership.
The High Grand Fall Dam is among 100 dams that the government plans to construct under the public-private partnership framework in a bid to increase food production in the country. Benson Ruba reporting for Prime Edition.